You're listening to What's on Tap Guam, Guam Waterworks Authority podcast channel. Subscribe to get updates, information, and other topics of interest that concern Guam's most precious natural resource.
Day. This is Miguel Bordallo of the Guam Waterworks Authority with an update on Typhoon Mawar recovery for June 5th, 2023. As of 6 p.m. today, GWA is now up to 64% of our wells operational. That's 77 wells total, with 35 on island power and 42 operating on generators. With these improvements, we will be producing approximately 27 million gallons of water per day. Our teams will continue to work with FEMA personnel to complete additional generator deployments to GWA deep wells and our sewer pump stations. This week, our goal will be to focus on needed deep well pump and motor replacements to bring more wells online. We have mobilized 2 teams and are planning to add a third with assistance from GPA, our Navy partners, and private well maintenance contractors. We are seeing more areas restored to service and pressure starting to improve in certain areas. However, we still have a precautionary boil water notice in place, as well as a water conservation advisory to assist those who are dependent on improved supply and less demand to get their water restored. We thank everyone for their patience during this difficult period. I would also like to thank the frontline staff of GWA, GPA, and all those who are lending a hand to contribute to our island's recovery efforts. Situos Masi.
For more information, visit guamwaterworks.org or call customer service at 671-647-7800. To reach our 24/7 dispatch, call 671-646-4211.